Good morning, students. Today, I'm not going to discuss anything about science, but today uh, we'll discuss on one important topic, that is online exam. Okay, as all of you know that your unit test will be start from 4th of August. Okay, you receive timetable for the same. So, here are some important guidelines to follow during the exam. Okay, first let's see paper pattern for science. Okay, there are 4 sections given in science paper, that is section A, section B, section C and section D. Section A is for 10 marks. Fill in the blanks, 1 mark each. 5 fill in the blanks for 5 marks. Match the following, 5 match the following are there, that is for 5 marks. Here you are not supposed to be write anything. We are conducting all these by giving options. So you just have to select option from given below the questions. For each questions we are giving you 4 options, A, B, C, D. Okay, so you have to just select correct option from that. Choose correct option, just select that option, that's it. No need to type anything. Same for match the following. We are giving 4 options to you. You have to just think it which is correct option and select it. Okay, then section B. Section B is for 8 marks, that is short answer questions. It includes your 1 line answer question and definitions also, small definitions also. So you just here also we are giving you 4 options. You just have to select correct definition or correct answer. Okay, then section C, long answer question. Here also 2 or 3 line answer is there. No need to type, as I told you in section B. Here is also same. 4 answers are given by us. You just have to read that answers carefully and select the correct one. Okay, for that don't think that no need to study for this. Also you need to study. So let's move to our section D. Section D is for 10 marks. Okay, there are 2 types questions. Okay, first is value based question. Value based questions, 2 questions I'm going to give you for value based question. Okay, each for 3 marks. One situation is given to you. It may be related to your topic and related to current situation. You just have to think and answer, select the correct answer. Okay, but for that it's same like think and answer. Okay, all of you attempt these types of question in our regular exam. There you are writing think and writing answer in your own words, but here we are providing you 4 options. You just have to think and select correct option from given options. Okay, then diagram based question, that is only 1 question for 4 marks. Here we are going to give you 1 diagram. You have to just select correct labels or maybe a diagram related any question. Okay, any questions related to that diagram. You just have to, here also we are giving you 4 options. You have to just select correct option from given options A, B, C, D. 4 options are there. So let's move to our next slide quickly, that is guidelines. Your exam, as I told you, your exam will start from 4th of August. As I told you, your exam will start from 4th of August. Okay, your exam time for science will be from 8 to 9 am. that means 1 hour, and this is sufficient time. Okay, we already practice for this and we test it. You can easily complete this test within this time period. Okay, then you will receive link before 10 minutes of paper on your broadcast group. Okay, on your broadcast group, we are going to provide you link on broadcast group. If you are not in your class about broadcast group, please contact with your class teacher and ask them to mention your number which is available between 8 to 9 am. Ask teachers to add that number in broadcast group. Click on link on time. Okay, when you receive this link ना, आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक. देन क्या हो जाएगा, क्वेश्चन पेपर ओपन हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन पेपर ओपन हो जाने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू मेंशन 10 मिनट्स बिफोर हम इसके लिए दे रहे हैं. इन रेगुलर एग्जाम ऑल्सो यू नीड टू राइट डाउन योर नेम, डिवीजन, रोल नंबर, राइट? So here also you have to mention your name, roll number, division, etc. Okay, for that we are giving you 10 minutes extra. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है, वो सब पहले मेंशन करना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है, स्टूडेंट्स रीड क्वेश्चंस, थिंक अबाउट आंसर एंड देन सिलेक्ट करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. नहीं आ रहा है, देन इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि टीचर ने चलो 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, 10-20 कर लेते हैं एंड सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन. नो, आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू जस्ट थिंक बिफोर सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन. ओके, सो दैट यू विल कंप्लीट योर पेपर विद इन टाइम. Students, then no need to type. You just have to choose correct option as I explained you. Remember, you can attempt test for one time. Okay, so before submitting, don't click on submit button in hurry, because once you submit paper you cannot reopen it again. Okay, so check if your paper is finished before given time. You just need to check answers. Okay, then remember, you can attempt test for one time. Okay, students have to submit test before 9 am. After time you are not able to submit the test. So आपको क्या करना है, बिफोर 9 o'clock आपको ये टेस्ट सबमिट करना है. 9 o'clock इज द लास्ट डेडलाइन फॉर सबमिटिंग टेस्ट. उसके बाद आप सबमिट नहीं कर पाओगे. ओके, so I hope all these guidelines you understand it better, because it's very simple points to be remembered. It's very important which points you have to remember or keep it in your mind while attempting exam. Do not panic. Okay, no need to panic. It's online exam. It's a very simple exam actually, and it is only for 1 hour, so you can easily attempt this exam. You already solved mock tests, right? So just believe yourself. Study on daily basis, so that you can easily attempt your paper within a time. Remember that you have a limited time for exam. Okay, आपको 1 hour का टाइम है एग्जाम के लिए. कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. प्लीज चेक टाइम टेबल, टाइम अलॉटेड टू दैट सब्जेक्ट. हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए अलग अलग टाइम अलॉटेड है, तो आपको डेली बेसिस पे ये टाइम टेबल बना के सामने आपने स्टिक करो, या डेली बेसिस पे आप चेक करो कि आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट का टेस्ट है, कब है और उसका टाइम क्या है. देन अगर सपोज अभी साइंस का टेस्ट है, दैट टाइम इज फॉर 60 मिनट्स, तो आपको अलार्म सेट करना है 50 मिनट्स के लिए. ओके, सो दैट 50 मिनट्स के बाद जब आपका अलार्म बजने लगेगा, देन यू विल गेट टू नो कि आपके पास 10 मिनट्स हैं और 10 मिनट्स में आपको आपका टेस्ट सबमिट करना है. ओके, क्वेश्चंस आर मल्टीपल चॉइस ओनली, सो नो नीड टू टाइप एनीथिंग. ओके, देन most important point, you can attempt test only once. Okay, and need to submit that test within given time. Okay, so just prepare according to that. So I hope all of you understand it very well. It's very easy exam, and I know all of you are doing very well and give your best. So good luck for your exam. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.